comments? Anyone here to testify in support? Good evening and welcome.
Good evening. Chairwoman Boslin, members of the committee, thank you so much for the opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Adam Roberts, A-D-A-M-R-O-B-E-R-T-S. I'm the founder of Dads for Equal Parenting Rights. We helped actually put this together today. And let me just start off by saying that we're not here for dads. We're not here for moms. We are here for the kids. And if you look at the numbers, as Senator Storm mentioned, the statistics are staggering regarding this issue. Over 90% of runaway children come from fatherless homes where there's an absent father. 85% of youth in prison come from fatherless homes. 70% of high school dropouts come from fatherless homes. And the list goes on, from drug abuse, substance abuse, teen pregnancy, depression, anxiety. And kids are 5 times more likely to commit suicide if they come from fatherless homes. So we believe that this bill can make a major positive impact in kids' lives, and that's why we're here. The studies have shown that the closer the custody gets to 50-50, the better the child performs in life. In front of you now, being handed out, is the study done at ASU by this psychology team, measured over the course of almost 20 years. The study scientifically proved quite convincingly that the closer the custody of a child was to 50-50, the better they performed in life. So we believe this bill should be a no-brainer for helping kids. Now you might say, oh, the current law is fine. I'm personally here sitting before you today to tell you that that's not the case. I fought for 7 years in the courts right down the street for more time with my kids. I was only given 4 days a month while I paid thousands of dollars a month in child support. So that's 26 days a month that I didn't get to see my kids in their formative years. And I'm sorry, but I'm not a father for just 4 days a month. 32% of fathers in the state of Nebraska are awarded 50-50 right now. That's 68% of all custody cases being awarded to mothers. Kids need a dad in their lives just like they need a mother in their lives. They need both parents, and that's why we're here. The truth is, I thought my story was bad until my best friend Tim, who was here today, he didn't get to see his kids for an entire year right here in Lincoln, Nebraska, all because his ex-wife, who was divorced 3 times, she knew how to play the system. She accused him of abuse 17 times over the years. Every single accusation came back as unfounded, but stole that time away from his kids, each time waiting for the next hearing. The judge determined there was no substantial evidence for any of those 17. Yet, finally, they granted my friend Tim the 50-50 custody that he so desired and asked for in the beginning. All those needless court battles, an entire year where Tim didn't get to see his kids, all that could have been avoided by a bill like this. This bill helps to eliminate putting the children in the middle of a battle. In Kentucky, who passed a 50-50 custody bill along with Florida, Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky found that divorce cases and divorce rates actually dropped by 25% after their bill passed. So we implore you to pass this bill. It's only adding 1 line of the current law. It's not a major overhaul. It costs no money. In fact, it could actually save money by eliminating needless court battles, and it can make a big difference towards pushing the judicial system towards giving children equal access to their parents, which is ultimately in the child's best interest. Open for questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions for this testifier? Seeing none, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, next proponent.